Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.